Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Kyle Orvis, your favorite tinfoil realist, not theorist. Uh, we're gonna do another crypto update. So, Elon, fucking Elon, has decided that he wanted to educate himself a little bit. Well, it might not have been his decision. Michael Saylor apparently took Elon to meet with some North American miners, and now Elon's like, "Oh yeah, they work renewable energy, so like maybe Bitcoin's good again." He says spoke with American Bitcoin miners. They committed to publish current and planned renewable energy usage and to ask miners to do so. Potentially promising. So basically, the idea is that mining companies, will disclose what their energy mix is. They use a little bit of coal if it's purely renewable, if it's 80% hydro, 20% solar, like, you know. And I think that should be voluntary by all means. There's just going to end up, there's already a stigma. Like, I seen a tweet that an ETF is already starting up. It's going to be basically a green energy Bitcoin ETF. It'll be a bucket of North American Bitcoin mining companies and a little bit of Bitcoin itself. But they'll stay away from the Chinese Bitcoin mining companies that use coal. Realistically, this is beneficial for Bitcoin. It takes away some of the hash power from China, decentralizes the network a little bit more. There's nothing wrong with that. Canada should be doing this like motherfucking crazy, but our politicians are way too stupid for that. We give out green energy deals like fucking crazy. We subsidize so much green energy shit. We basically shut down our oil fields. We should be absolutely one of the top miners in Bitcoin. And then especially our climate. Like, we have the whole fucking Northwest Territories, which is Nunavut, fucking Yukon, everything. Which is all cold as shit. So you don't have to pay for to keep your equipment cool. Which I know is a huge cost with that stuff. What else we got here? Oh, I thought this was hilarious. This Justin's son fucking the wife shit is just too much. Too much. It's spreading everywhere. Justin's son. It's too funny. I see Crypto Cobain going at him all the time. It's so funny. What do we got? Fantom. Big news out of Fantom. So they tweeted, "We're excited to announce that the Afghanistan Ministry of Industry and Commerce is the sixth government entity in the country to adopt Fantom technology. The pilot is part of a nationwide blockchain-based digital transformation program." Fantom's working with a bunch of governments. They're doing Tajikistan. They've been basically just doing a bunch of different ministries in Afghanistan. And now this is the sixth different ministry of Afghanistan that they've basically partnered with. Digitizing everything, man. Fucking tokenizing the world. What else we got here, folks? Pretty heavy Fantom day for me. It's nice to see. This weekend was Grand Prix weekend. Pierre Gasly, who kept Lewis Hamilton behind him for 78 laps, is sponsored by Fantom. And he had a fucking hell of a race. So that was great to see. I'm intrigued to see the numbers on how many people ended up watching the Monaco Grand Prix. But typically it averages 25 million viewers, so that is pretty good exposure for Fantom. Not that it needs it. Like, they're just kind of fucking subtly working behind the scenes, partnering up with governments. And I thought this was kind of interesting, so I tweeted about it. My life comes full circle. My eyes were first opened when my uncle came home from Afghanistan, brutally injured in 2007. I first had to dive down the rabbit hole of the military-industrial complex and the money rabbit hole. 10 years later, I found Bitcoin and Fantom. Now we are helping rebuild Afghanistan. Pretty much sums it up, folks. Sweden is fucking canceling the PCR tests. I thought that was fucking incredible. Boom. What else we got? Oh, this was a nice little clip. Kevin O'Leary. Honestly, I really like Pump. I respect what he's doing for Bitcoin. Well done, Pump. I know the maxis, some of the plebs hate you, but I honestly think we're gonna digitize. Like, my thesis is that we're gonna use all these different blockchains. Like, all these blockchains we're too tribal. We're too tribal. Everybody's already set into blockchains and stuff. And there's gonna be each blockchain is gonna be fucking massive. But eventually, like, Bitcoin is the global reserve asset, and like, you'll price all of your. You'll think of, instead of thinking in dollar terms, you'll think in sats. So whatever tokens that you have, you'll kind of price them in sats. Now, those tokens could fucking boom. Like, when you think Bitcoin's got $1 trillion worth of value, like some of these tokens that are going to end up digitizing the stock market, I don't know. They seem pretty valuable. Like, they're all going to be pretty valuable. Whatever the fucking blockchain, like, I think merchants are even going to just accept certain. They'll accept whatever ones they want. Like, I might accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Fantom, maybe Cardano, like Monero. I could pick fucking 10 different things that I accept. Whoever makes the fucking software that when I scan, if I don't have if I'm purchasing something from a merchant and I don't have one of those currencies that they accept, that I don't have to sit there and exchange it on my phone. I can just scan. I can basically pick which currency I want to use, scan it, and it automatically does the flip from Ethereum. Say they only accept Bitcoin, and I only have Ethereum. It basically makes the automatic transaction behind the scenes to give the merchant Bitcoin instead of Ethereum. I think that's the kind of shit that we're going to end up seeing. Everything will be kind of, you'll think in terms of sats because Bitcoin will be the global reserve one. But you're going to be spending, you might have 10 different blockchains that you have currencies in that you might be spending. That's how I think things go. I think merchants will accept maybe 3 or 4 to start, and then they'll have their own little ones that they want. Because people start to get into this shit. Like, it's a rabbit hole. You get in and you start learning about all of them. Anyways, let's continue with Kevin O'Leary. I'm sorry, I'm doing this episode stoned as a motherfucker, too. Moving all day. Smoked a couple bowls. It's time to relax and enjoy this ride up, folks. The markets are looking fucking decent right now. Let's check it out. All right, Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Yep, 15%. Ethereum, 27%. Binance, almost 40. Hoo-yah. Ooh, Uniswap, 50. Dude, I bought a Uniswap at like $40. It's $24. And it's up 50%. That was a fucking dip, eh? We held through a fucking dip and a half. I didn't sell a goddamn thing. Fantom, there we go, baby. 35 cents, up 42%. This is my biggest bag. I'll show you exactly why. I shitcoined to get more Bitcoin. And this fucking chart against BTC, we're gonna get back to that all-time high. And we're gonna blow through it. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful thing. I shitcoin for more Bitcoin. I'm playing 5D chess. I'm playing 6D chess because I'm trading shit against Fantom. Like, I'm so deep into this shit now that I'm trading shit against Fantom, because if I can get more Fantom and Fantom beats Bitcoin, then that means I get even more Bitcoin. Does it not make sense? Are you catching what I'm doing here? Anyway, let's go to the news. Michael Saylor's just been fucking holding strong, doing what he does. Obviously he flipped Elon, which who gives a fuck about Elon, what he thinks about this. I can't believe he just came into crypto and just decided, like, oh, I'm gonna fix Bitcoin. Like, the block size problem. It's like, there's only been fucking 10 years of debate over this shit. I'm gonna come in and fix Bitcoin. Michael Saylor's like, nah, dude. Nah. So anyways, yeah, Elon Musk spoke with the American miners. What kind of news we got here? Talk about fucking Elon. Euphoria from fear to FOMO, yeah. We're literally so broke filling out fucking McDonald's applications. And now we're already fucking looking at yachts and Lambos. We're back, folks. I hope you got in on the dip. I hope you enjoyed that dip. Alright, so let's see what's doing the best against BTC today. WRX, don't know what the fuck that is. Matic's killing it. This is also why I'm so big on Fantom, is I think Fantom is fucking way better than Matic. I use Matic on a daily basis for my Z-Run race horses. I like Matic, but I think Fantom's way better and doing way more behind the scenes. And fuck, Matic's got like a $5 billion market cap. Matic's got a $5 billion market cap. Fantom is what, fucking 700 million right now? We got gains to go, baby. Gains to go. I've seen people are saying fucking $32, $40 end of year. That's fucking insane. We're at 35 cents. That'd be 100x. That'd be wild. I'm telling you, man, Fantom's talking to them. They already had meetings with the UN, and as much as I hate the UN, as much as I hate governments, and they're working with governments, remember, I shitcoin for more Bitcoin. Money doesn't have morals. That might be my greatest quote yet. Alright, folks. I think that's it for this one. We got a market update. Everybody's getting rich again. Love it. It fucking doesn't matter what you pick. You could pick any coin. We just went through fucking huge dips. You can pick any coin. They all have absolutely massive followings now. If you shitcoin away. You're gonna see some big gains. Are you gonna see as many gains as Bitcoin? Who knows? But I shitcoin for more Bitcoin. So I'm looking at these charts, some of these charts against fucking Bitcoin. Oh, you can't tell me that's not fucking beautiful. Just look at this chart. This is a beautiful thing. We're gonna get right back up there. I love it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed.